Hey guys, in this video I want to share you some ideas about fashion because I think that fashion should be accessible to everyone, no matter which budget you have. I like fashion a lot. I like wearing different type of clothes, but I'm also aware of the planet Earth and what the impact fashion can have on the environment. And that's why I'm also aware of what I buy, but also how I use things every single day. And I thought I can share some experiences and advices that can help to have your own style and still wear amazing fashion trends, but also keep in mind of the environment. What I really like is that there are different brands, there are different trends, but also different styles, so everyone can wear their own style, maybe even combine different styles that you really like, that feels also good to you. You can always try different trends, especially if there are trends that are quite subtle, and combine them with basics. I think accessories can make a huge difference, especially if you have a basic outfit and you combine it with some jewelry. It makes a huge difference, and you can style. There are so many different types of accessories that you can also combine together, and it makes an outfit completely put together.